Good morning, y'all. I took one trade today. I think I made a little over 800. Our P&L is over 400, so 800 across two accounts. Um, Pretty sure the RR was 1.68. Yeah. So yeah, my strategy appeared, took it, got really close to the bottom, but ended up hitting TP. So let's get into it. So going into the day, I didn't really have a strong bias towards either side because I feel like it could have gone either way. Mostly because overnight market ended up inversing two hourly bullish fair value gaps and taking out this low. So I easily could have seen it coming down and taking out this low resistance liquidity and this imbalance. And honestly, that's what I wanted to happen. Like I felt like that was the stronger pull. But I also did see these highs, and then there also was imbalance on the 1 hour. So I could have also seen it going up there. And so I just kind of wanted to see what market open was going to do. And so market open came up, inversed this hourly bearish fair value gap, and then it also created an SMT because NQ did not sweep out this low again, but ES in fact did. And so at that point I started looking up. After this inverse, I was targeting the imbalance right here. So after we were inversing that 15-minute fair value gap, I saw this 5-minute appear. We came down, tapped into it, and we were respecting it. So I went down to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we created this bearish fair value gap, and then we inversed it. So my strategy appeared. I took it. I set my TP up at that imbalance on the hourly, and then where I set my stop loss was on the 30-second. On the 30-second, we had this order block right here, and it had already tested it once and resisted off of it. So I thought it was a great spot to put my stop loss. I set it at the bottom wick just because there was this imbalance right here, and then also on the 5-minute there was this imbalance right here. So if it was gonna go and test that low right there, it definitely would have gone lower just because of that imbalance right there. So that's where I didn't want to see price go lower. And so it tested it twice and rejected off of it twice as well, and then instantly shot up and hit my TP. So it was an A plus setup. We had 15-minute inversal, an hourly SMT, clear trend, and then we had the retrace, tap into a 5-minute fair value gap, an inversed 1-minute fair value gap, and then an order block to put stop loss on. So A plus setup in my book, and we hit a 1.68 on it. So it's a clean 800 for the day. Appreciate y'all.